It's boiling hot here in the city, as if we were in Africa.
It would be nice taking a long ride. Any place would be just fine.
Let's go and camp out in Colorado. The air is clean and the girls are fun. It's a hangout for crazy people.
It's a hangout for crazy people.
Everyone lives in their own daydream.
Everyone lives in their own daydream.
Make up your mind and tell me yes or no.
Yes or no?
In a short while you see me go.
Come on, let's speed out from the city. It's getting late, let's hit the road.
We could be fishing on the river. You could get suntan on a boat. And in the evening we'll see Mario,
And in the evening we'll see Mario.
who was a stuntman in North Ontario.
Was a stuntman in North Ontario.
Now he's the leader in a reggae band that could keep you dancing all night, like if you were